Good evening, everyone. We have a little bit of a dynamic forecast shaping up over the next 24 hours. We have some heavy rain, chance for thunderstorms, and some strong gusty winds. Let's take a look at where the rain is right now. Most, if not all, of the wet weather is back through Oxford County, portions of Franklin County. We're actually just starting to see some lightning strikes in this cell right in here, moving up into Carrabassett Valley, Kingfield, and also up into Somerset County. Actually, just north of that, north and east, 16 lightning strikes showing up on Lightning Tracker as of 7:30 as I'm recording this. Wind's the big issue today. We had a wind gust of 37 miles per hour in Portland. That was our peak wind gust. We're gusting to about 23 miles per hour. The wind is starting to relax a little bit tonight. It's going to pick up again tomorrow morning, and we'll probably actually have our strongest winds during the morning hours tomorrow. Now, 2 months from now, we could handle a 37 mile per hour wind gust like nothing, right? There'll be no leaves on the trees. But now, of course, we have the leaves, or still have some leaves on the trees. I think we'll be raking by the end of the week, though. Let's take a look at our 24-hour wind forecast in miles per hour. This evening, of course, we still have some gusty winds. This takes us through the overnight. Notice how they relax a little bit. Then pick up tomorrow between the hours of 6 a.m. and about noontime. We'll probably have sustained winds around 20, 25 miles per hour, and gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. So strong gusty winds with the potential for some power outages. That's something we need to watch, especially in some of these thunderstorms that could be rolling through during the morning. All right, one round of rainfall is moving through, especially over western zones right now. Here's our next round. This arrives tomorrow morning. So our wettest portion of the forecast will be Wednesday morning. Some heavy downpours and embedded thunderstorms are possible. Notice the timestamp here. This is about 8 o'clock in the morning. The front's moving through with some heavy downpours. There is the potential for some damaging winds, but notice what happens by afternoon. The front's trucking through. We're seeing some sun return. Tomorrow's actually going to be a mild day with afternoon highs warming into the upper 60s to around 70. All right, here we are at 8 o'clock tonight. Notice some showers, chance for a thunderstorm, mainly in the mountains. The main event arrives tomorrow morning. Here we are around 8 o'clock or so. Heavy downpours indicated by the reds, the oranges, the yellows in there. Strong gusty winds. That's going to lead my headlines here. Winds could gust maybe over 40 miles per hour with leaves still on the trees. That could lead to some scattered power outages. There is the slight, and the key word there is slight, possibility of a quick spin-up tornado, and that threat is greatest down into southern New England. Back at home, I think it's just straight-line damaging winds that will be the big issue. Upper 60s to near 70 by afternoon with some sun returning, so a brighter afternoon. We start with a south wind. The wind turns over to the west. It's a west wind that will still gust probably around 30 miles per hour during the afternoon hours. And then the party's over. Temps will struggle to really reach 60 degrees for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and overnight lows 30s and 40s return again. Details in the forecast tonight. It's going to be a mild one tonight, still a little breezy, upper 50s to around 60, breezy with a south wind. We keep a south wind tomorrow, around 15 to 25 with gusts over 40 miles per hour possible during the morning. After the front moves through, the wind shifts over to the west. It stays strong, but at least we're going to brighten our skies. Tomorrow's sort of a split day. Showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Even a period of steady, heavy rainfall is possible in the morning as well. But by afternoon, the sun returns, and again, our best part of the day will be the second half of the day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, for that matter, look pretty nice at this point. A storm should stay to our south on Saturday. And most of the long holiday weekend looks decent. Temps look a few degrees below normal, upper 50s to near 60. Inland areas probably just a little bit cooler with overnight lows slipping into the 30s. There'll probably be some rain moving in at some point late Monday, more so Monday night and into Tuesday. That's my best estimate right now. In the near term, Craig will have the latest on the potential for damaging winds tomorrow morning and some of these heavy downpours and potential thunderstorms. That's the way things look. Hope everyone has a nice evening. And again, Craig will have the latest first thing tomorrow morning. Have a nice night.